Are you a professional who's been working really hard for a really long time, only to find yourself getting the same results year in and year out? You find yourself plateauing and maybe even regressing. You've probably tried fixing this on your own though. Maybe you've bought and read a couple of books, and maybe you've bought and jumped into a couple of courses, and maybe even spent an entire day at a workshop. But no matter how hard you try, you simply can't figure this out on your own. If that sounds like you, it might be time to make a new pact with yourself. I'm Robb Zbierski, and I'd like to invite you to be a part of Freedom Personal Development's PACT program. PACT stands for Personal Accountability, Coaching, and Training, and it's a proven coaching curriculum that we've shared with thousands of clients over the last 25 years to help them achieve next level results in both their business and in their life. Our process helps clients create and sustain record-breaking results in everything they do in way less time and with exponentially less effort than ever trying to go it alone. Until now, this type of coaching was only available to individuals on a one-on-one basis and to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars. We've been asked for years to make this type of training available in another format, so we finally put together a self-guided program that delivers the same level of guidance and results at a fraction of the cost. We've curated our best, most impactful lessons to create a training curriculum that allows you to access the same type of personalized coaching enjoyed by all of our top producing clients in a self-guided manner with the support and guidance of a like-minded community that'll help you implement the lessons in an effective and life-changing manner. Over the course of 9 super relevant, super impactful modules, you'll create and crystallize strategies and tactics that'll help you gain and operate with clarity for what's most important to you and how to anchor to that in everything that you do. This is a program that takes a lot of the ideas that get a lot of lip service in your world and help you learn how to implement them in a way that works, it works rapidly, and it works sustainably. You'll finally understand how to take concepts like positivity, attitude, goals, time management, and focus, and take these things from living in the ether and understand how to implement them and guide you towards record-breaking results in everything you set out to achieve. But the program isn't just a set of pre-recorded videos and some emails. Your investment also includes 6 months of access to small group coaching sessions led by Freedom Personal Development's top coaches and trainers, where you can bring your questions, concerns, and homework into a forum where you can get input and feedback from a group of like-minded, success-oriented professionals just like yourself. If you're ready to learn how to achieve that next incentive level with way less effort, or how to take time off without worry, or how to create that culture that has people begging to work with you, enroll in the PACT program today. If you're ready to show up living every day unapologetically purposeful, with clarity on what you most want and why it's most important to you, and if you're ready to truly harness the creative capacity of your brain, enroll in the PACT program today. The offer, it's right in front of you. The opportunity has presented itself. Are you going to take advantage? Or are you willing to wake up every day for the rest of your life wondering how to get through that plateau? Join us and get ready to enjoy running the business that you deserve to run while also living the life of your dreams.